Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making banana bread or cake. This is a list of the ingredients, so let's get started. So we'll be using a cup cauliflower blend, then a cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, then we mix this together till they are well combined, then set it aside. So we'll be using 2 bananas. So we cut it and we dice it. Then mash it together with either fork or maybe your mixer. So I'll be using my hand mixer to mash it together. Once I'm done with this, I'll be adding a 1/4 cup brown sugar and a 1/4 cup white sugar. You can use white sugar all through or brown sugar all through. Do it the way you want. Then I'll be adding vanilla cream, just a drop of it. You can, if you're using vanilla extract, you can use a teaspoon. So we'll be adding a 1/4 cup of butter. You can use oil, olive oil, and any available oil you prefer. So you mix together until they're well combined. Add salt, a teaspoon salt, and combine together. Then we'll be adding eggs. We're adding 4 eggs. So once you're done adding the eggs, you beat together till they are well combined. Beat very well till they are fully combined. Once you're done with that, you turn in your flour bit by bit till you achieve the right consistency. And doing this, once you are done mixing, once you achieve the right consistency, then you bring out your baking pan. At this point, you should be preheating your oven at 350°F. Then grease the pan you're going to use for baking. Once it's fully greased, this is to prevent it from sticking. You can use baking sheet to line it as well. So you pour your batter into the pan and level it. Make sure it's uniform. So once you level it like this, then you bake in the oven for like maybe 50 minutes, 51 minutes. Yeah. Once it's ready, then cut and enjoy with your family. Yeah, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.